In this video, we're going to show you how to install the solenoid cam profile sensor on your Volvo XC60 located on the top portion of your engine. We want to go ahead and remove the engine cover here. So I'm going to grab on each side here and gently lift upward. And we're dislodging the rubber grommets from the 4 posts, securing the cover. Go ahead and set that aside. Now with the engine cover removed, we're going to locate these sensors on this side of the engine, which is the front side of the engine to the right of your oil fill cap. Now right here, on the front portion and the rear portion, these are your solenoid cam profile sensors, also known as a cam position sensor. Now, in order to get to this one here, we have to disconnect this connector on our VVT solenoid. So you're going to press in on this tab and pull that off. Now you can try and get your Torx bit inside here. We're going to use a T25, and you may or may not be able to do it. And we just can't get a good grip on it. So what we need to do is we need to remove our VVT solenoid from the engine in order to get a straight on shot. You don't want to strip this here. So you're going to come around the back side of the VVT right down here. And we're going to go ahead and use our T30 Torx bit to go ahead and get to this here. Now we're going to be reusing the hardware here, so make sure that you don't lose this here. Now the VVTs sometimes get stuck. Sometimes you're lucky enough to pull it out, but there it is. And pull that out. Now right beside it, we're going to go ahead and break this screw free here. There it is. And let's go ahead and disconnect this. Make it a little bit easier now. Press in on this tab and pull this off. Whatever you do, make sure you don't take this and drop it down that hole. Go ahead and pop that out. Go ahead and take the new component, slide that down into position. I like to go ahead and run these down as far as I can by hand. And then we'll go ahead and torque it down to 7.3 foot-pounds. And then go ahead and grab that connector, pop that on. Make sure it's locked in. Now we went ahead and we put a small thin coat of silicone paste on the O-ring. That's going to help this slide right into place. Go ahead and line that up and press it down in. Okay, go ahead and get your bolt in. There it is. You do want to make sure that pops all the way down and it seats. You'll know this by if the tab, the mounting tab on the side isn't flush with the engine, it's not properly or fully installed. Make sure that's in, because if it's not all the way in, it's not going to operate properly, and all you're going to do when you tighten down the screw over here and torque it, you're just going to bend the mounting tab. Okay, to run that screw down, and now we can go ahead and torque it down to 7.3 foot-pounds. There it is. Go ahead and grab that connector and pop that on. Go ahead and take the cover. We're going to line up the center hole here with the oil fill cap, and then pretty much just push down. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.